Alright guys, I'm going to try and do a bit of a fun video today. I know it might not be the best because this is not a scripted video. It's just coming to my mind while I'm out riding, you know. But anyway, this is going to be 5 things you'll understand if you motovlog. Like, have ever motovlogged or currently motovlog, you'll get it if you do or have. Okay, so number 1, things you'll understand. Not being on the right side of the road when something cool happens. Like, I could be right here on the middle of a highway, right side, and then on the other side something cool happens, like say a group of sport bikes are hauling ass racing, and you can't get that on camera really because you're on the wrong goddamn side of the road. I have been there, done that so many times, and it is always infuriating. Or there will be like a cool car on the other side of the road you can't get footage of, other than like, look at that. And it just sucks all the time. Like, I hate it when that happens. Alright, so number 2 on things you'll understand if you motovlog is the cool stuff always happens when your battery is dead. Like, you could have gone for the last hour and a half on one charge if your battery even lasts that long. If it does, what the hell of battery you got, let me know. But you could have gone the last hour and a half recording content, talking, looking at cool stuff, and then nothing happens. The moment your camera dies, you will get into a race, you'll see someone do a wheelie, you'll see like a Lamborghini Aventador, Ferrari, whatever the fuck it is. You'll see it out of nowhere come up and pass you and spit flame from turbo. You'll see the cool stuff when you don't have a battery in or it's dead. If you motovlog, you'll get it. Alright, so the third thing here, if you motovlog, this is more if you motovlog on a dedicated schedule. I know some of you guys just kind of upload when you feel like, which is cool, but a lot of people also are like, I gotta do it this day and this day. Is content block. Like, you could have all the content in the world at your fingertips, but if you're not feeling creatively energized, you're not gonna get content. You're gonna have like anxiety through the roof. Like, man, I could have had a video out, but instead I'm sitting here on my phone because I don't know what to do, you know. Like, I've had weeks where I just uploaded old stuff because I haven't known what to record or upload or edit or, like, you know, say, because I didn't know what to do. I just ride around the camera and saying nothing, looking at stuff, and it's like, damn, I just wasted an hour. I didn't really waste because I was riding, but I just wasted an hour of my battery doing nothing but looking around at stuff, which kind of sucks here and there, you know. But if you really are a dedicated uploader, you'll get that one too. So number 4 on things that you'll totally get if you motovlog is all the stares you get when you're talking to yourself. Like, I don't always talk animatedly. Sometimes I just have both hands on the bars talking while I ride, but sometimes I'll use my hands for emphasis, right? And people give you really weird looks when you do that. Like, the camera won't always catch all of it, but they will look at you like you have a third head or 10 fingers on one hand, you know, because they're like, whoa, what's he doing? He's like doing stuff on his bike and we can see him doing, you know. Like, I know I've exceeded my number of times I can say like in a sentence, but if you do motovlog and you're an animated vlogger, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. So number 5 on things that you'll understand if you motovlog is when you have your camera on your face, you're recording a video, or you're getting ready to record a video, and someone sees you in a crowd, or you're like going for a ride or whatever, and then you get the question, are you a motovlogger? Are you recording this? Well, yeah, that's kind of what I got a camera on my face for, ain't it? Like, people ask you the dumbest questions, like, are you recording me right now? I wasn't until you said hi. They'll ask you the dumbest questions, like, seriously, like, or you'll get the, what's your channel? I'll subscribe to you, and then you don't ever get the extra subscriber, which you notice has small numbers, really hard. Yeah, so that's been 5 things. Here's a couple bonus rounds. If you're a hooligan motovlogger, like you ride fast or do wheelies and a cop pulls you over, you'll get hit with the, I can confiscate that and search it, even though you have to have no reason to do so, no plausible reason for that, you know. Another one is recording things when you didn't think you were recording them, so you just killed your battery and all you have is you singing like Sweet Home Alabama to yourself on the way to an event. Anyway, if you relate to any of those, let me know. Either that or I'm just really specific on what I think is relatable. Anyway, it's been Squid. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, at least a little bit. Hopefully you'll leave a like and a comment, and maybe leave a subscribe and hit the bell notification too. I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyway, see you later, homies.